kids, welcome to Anika Kids TV। So आज हम सीखेंगे 1 to 6। Pink color, the next is 2, purple color, 3, green color, 4, red color, yellow color, 5, yellow color 5, and the last is 1 2 3 4 5 and बिल्कुल सही 6। So 1 2 3 4 5 6। Blue color, yellow color, purple color, green color, pink color, and the last one is red color. Bye kids.